Once our pallet is at the workstation, we're going to check that this work set station lock release enabled is lit. If it's not lit up, that means the vehicle is in motion. Let the vehicle finish its action and watch for this to light up. Once it's lit up, hit work set station door unlock and open up your door all the way. Okay, and after opening the door, before we unload or load any parts, we want to check the valve and make sure it's in between 4,000 and 5,000 psi. Using the air hose, we're going to clean off the receiver and the hydraulic hose and pull this back a little bit and push. Now we're going to release the pressure. Make sure that when you relieve the pressure on this, that the hydraulic hose is connected before you do. So just push this back and watch out. These are going to start moving. Using the air hose, blow all the chips and the coolant off. Now we're going to take the part off, carefully remove it, and place it on a cart. Using the air hose, we're going to clean off the fixture. Make sure to wipe these clean. The part is going to sit on these surfaces, and then we're going to locate on these right here. Make sure everything is nice and clean. Now we're going to use a stone and just clean off any large burrs. And wipe it clean. Now we have our part positioned on the cart. We're going to pick it up and place it on the pallet. And make sure it's seated. Okay, now using the pendant, we are going to press the up arrow to clamp our parts. And then we're going to hold it till we get to about 4,500 psi. Release it. And then clamp again. Release it. And clamp one more time to make sure that we're at the correct pressure. And release it. And we should be in between 4,000 and 5,000 psi. Okay, so now we're going to rotate the pallet so we can check our load. Place your foot inside here all the way towards the back and push down and rotate. Now using a shim or the feeler gauge, we're going to check our load. Just make sure that the shim doesn't go through in any spots here and there. Okay, now using the air hose, we're going to clean off all the fixture registers. Wipe them clean if you need to. So this one here, 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 and this bottom as well. Now we're going to load our part. Place it up here, tilt it back a little bit, and push it in. And you should feel it seat. Now that our part is loaded, we're going to check the load. This movement is okay, but when you push the part back and move side to side, there should be very minimal movement. Now we're going to clamp the part. Press the up arrow on the pendant. Now we want to clamp somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 psi. So we're right in the middle, release, and clamp again, release, and clamp one more time. Now check that you're in between 4,000 and 5,000 psi. Now we're going to check our load after we clamped. There's a fixture register right here and here that we should be touching on. And then on this side, whoop, there's a fixture register right up here that we should be touching on. This fixture register down here we do not need to be touching on. We should not. And then there's also a locating pin right in the back that we should be located inside one of the cast holes. Now that we know that our load is good, we can remove the hydraulic hose by pulling back here, and it should just pop right off. Okay, now we're going to press works at station door unlock and close the door and hit finish and let the vehicle take the pallet to the machine.